go. Got some nice iced coffee in me. How you all doing today? Welcome back for another Theta Network update. Oh, and boy, do I have some updates for you. If you've been missing out and did not watch yesterday's AMA, was it yesterday or 2 days ago? I'm already losing track, but no, the AMA we had with Mitch, Jay, and Wes. Mind-blowing, just like the topics they cover. We got to see how the Theta's Edge Cloud actually used Sketch to 3D rendering, and we're gonna show some clips on that and a little descriptions. But yeah, let's dive right on into all that news because we got a lot to cover. So first up, if you look at the ThetaToken.org page, we see that we have another time clock going down. So it looks like it's 40 days, 6 hours, 4 minutes, a couple seconds. But June 26th is when the Elite Boosters launch. Now this is when Edge knows will have the capability to interact with all the AI Edge Cloud fun stuff that goes on there. I always forget, someone else said it better. But no, so 40 days away, and then you can be a part of the Elite Boosters if you can stake an additional 500,000 T-fields. That's how all that works. If you're curious about it, check out our previous videos, we talk about it. But no, let's continue on with the news because, yeah, again, did you miss the AMA? There's a link right here. I'll also leave it in the YouTube. Let me zoom in a bit. But no, it was awesome. Let's go over some of the highlights from it. So like the first big one was we are working with all three global cloud leaders. I want to play Mitch so you can hear him.
Tell you that AWS is one of the partners that we are actively working with, but we can't announce anything.
Ooh, you just hear that? AWS is one of the partners they're working with.
So when we're ready for that, you'll definitely be the first to know. I do know that some of our other partners out there may have said or shared a few things, and that's okay. But we're super excited. And as you can imagine, there's really three primary cloud leaders in the space. So I can definitely say that we are excited to be working with all three. So
did you just hear that? The three biggest cloud networks out there, we are working with all three. And what? So here's a little chart right there. Definitely AWS. He just said that. You heard that. We're working with them. We know we're working with Google Cloud. Who's that third one? Are we working with Azure? Nothing was mentioned. They can't say certain stuff, but they said we're working with the top three. So who knows? That can also be Alibaba too, but whoa, we are up there. This is crazy. And then we have some comments. I wonder who the big three players are, but we already know it's again AWS and Google Cloud because they've been the partners. But who's that third one? Don't know. We just got to wait. But everyone was just so crazy about it. But yeah, that was just one of the big just announcements on that AMA video. So there's so much more. What else did we get? Yeah, if you're ever curious on when iOS will be integrated, well, it was at the 1 hour 23 minute mark. And let's go back.
So wrapping this up, I don't know if there's some last minute questions.
Last minute questions.
Yes, iOS devices. Yes, that's also in our plans. A little bit trickier with Apple, as you know, Apple approves every app that goes on their platform. It's a little bit more complex. Also, the tech stack on iOS is a little bit more challenging, where all the permissions and whatnot. So that's something that we are continuing to look at.
Yeah, but I think even the Android version that would be a great learning process, right? We would be able to amass a lot of data point on there and see that whether we can port those technology to iOS, right, or do something, and hopefully eventually be able to distribute it to billions of devices, right, in the future.
Billions of devices, yeah. So that question was referred to how we got word that a bunch of Android devices, Android TVs will be implemented with Edge nodes out there. Just keep adding to it. And they're wondering, is iOS in the play? And as I said, yes, it will be down the road, but we all know how Apple is. Lots of rules and stuff you got to go through, hurdles. But no, it's on the roadmap, so that's going to be exciting. And then lastly, the biggest one out of it all, like I said, was the if you didn't catch the Theta AMA yesterday, you missed Jay demoing the latest Edge Cloud development of the proprietary Sketch to 3D generative AI model. For all the details, you can watch it. But no, Mitch was translating a simple, often rough 2D sketch into detailed and accurately 3D model involves numerous technical hurdles, as it is difficult to generate a 3D model with high spatial resolution, which preserves the subtle details and shapes envisioned by the artist in the 2D sketch. Now, how do they do it, you may ask? Well, they tackle it by dividing it into two stages. First, by converting the sketch into a 2.5D image, which is the projection of a 3D object, and then onto a 2D plane, and then subsequently transforming that project image into a 3D model. So it's like 2 stages. This 2-stage approach is another example of the model pipeline concept that Theta Labs and Google Cloud jointly presented at Google Cloud's next conference. And there was an article for it. Like, we're not going to do the read through, but I'll show you like at least the idea of it. So this is what they demoed during the video. Like, here was a sketch JDraw, took them 5 hours. That's what he said. Then it was generated into a 2D image. And then after that, the 3D, and he was showcasing, like, he was rotating it around. You can see it. But then, like, if you're wondering, like, how that all works, well, this is the stage 1, step 1. You got the sketch. There's a text prompt. All that code goes in. Then stage 2, the primary excretion, goes through all that stuff. And then, boom, 3D model. So that's what Theta Edge Clouds are doing. And here's that prompt showing a little bit more about it, what's going on down there, if you understand that. Sketch 2, a little bit more zoomed in on that. And, yeah. So yeah, this is in the AI section of serving. So if you go to the Theta Edge Cloud, definitely try it around. It will be on the AI services and Sketch to 3D. And this is a service, so it looks like right now it's about 99 cents per hour to do that. But you can also like test around certain stuff that's using the GVI CPU 4 cores. If you did like the lowest one, I'm not even sure if that would work. It's about 5 cents for an hour. So you got options out there if you want to test it out, but have fun with Theta's Edge Cloud and like still like keep like messing around with also the like text to image. I know chatbot is probably on the way. No, serious. I think text to video is on the way still, but no, have fun with it. Play with it, use it. There's so much to do, especially that AI stuff. Because again, Sketch to 3D, Llama 8B, Stable Diffusion, Whisper. There is so much stuff you can do on the Edge Cloud. So just go out there, have fun with it, and watch that AMA video because all right, what else is going on? Andrea Berry, head of business development, had some exciting news talking about the Medicanes Festival. Let's show that tweet out there. So exciting news. Medicanes, the world's only on-chain, on-demand virtual film festival, brought to you by the Film 3 Squad, has now added live streaming capabilities powered by Theta Network's Edge Cloud. This now makes Medicane's Film 3 Festival even more unique and groundbreaking. Why is that? Because the addition of live streaming is a game changer. Having few streaming platforms can even handle this complexity of both video on demand and live events. Even giants like Netflix face challenges, and seen with the Love is Blind reunion mishap, it didn't do too good with them. So Andrea's had many history and expertise and knowledge of that, where she's did this career. She was like going, in my career, I've helped companies enhance their direct-to-consumer video experience across various platforms. The forced pivot to video streaming for many companies during COVID was tough, especially for film festivals. Many struggle to adapt to due to high cost and technicality of it all. Now, transitions platforms like Vimeo offer great products, but could meet the unique needs of a film festival. Annual SaaS contracts, management, overhead security requirements were too burdensome on-demand virtual experience and seemed out of reach, not to mention the live streaming capability. But it's all good. So what happened yesterday for Medicanes is truly revolutionary. Live streaming as a Canes Red Carpet event, brought to you by Herflix Cinema, showcase at Theta Network's Edge Cloud power and potential. This seamless integration sets new standards for film festivals worldwide. And yes, this is using Theta's Edge Cloud technology. Like here, let me even pull that up again. So we're back over on the Edge Cloud network, and you'll be going to video services. And then here, I've been messing around with it. MicroStrategy launched one of those news articles, tied it to an NFT. But no, you can go into there and choose everything you want. Enter the video source URL, drop a file, put it in there. If you want to enable an NFT digital rights management, you can. And this could be the studio level that involves the enterprise plan required. And then you just link the NFT you want on there, the collection, the name, and that's how you do it. So no one will be able to watch it without it. And it's a live stream one on here too, or was that in the right here? See, on the side of live stream. So you can create a new live stream, enter it, enable the NFT again. But no, so this is crazy for what Medicanes was doing with that live stream, digital rights management, and yeah, so this success is a testament and innovation and spirit of Theta Network. So definitely check out the Medicanes if you haven't, like the real use of NFT digital rights management. The NFTs are only $30, but then that gives you access to the film festival if you're not actually there. Right now, you got special screens with Last Ranger, the Anne Frank gift shop, featured films out there, as well as some interviews and conversations out there, women in media, riffing. And again, you can't watch any of these unless you have that NFT. I haven't purchased yet. I am going to this weekend because I want to watch these guys. And yep, so you log on in and boom, see, any one of these NFTs are listed, and then you'll be able to get access. So if you do not have the NFT, you can't watch it. So let's get the NFT. It takes you to the drop, and boom. So the top one sold out, but you can still get the film festival for $30. There's 9 days left of it, but that's how you'd be able to watch it. So whew, but yeah, crazy stuff. Theta is killing it. We're coming into the bull. We are in a bull run. We're in the sideways action of the halving period. But no, partners with the highest cloud service partners out there, AWS, Google Cloud. There's still one more out there. The 2D to sketch to 3D rendering is going to help out so many capabilities of like either video game and animations. Someone even in the AMA mentioned, like, what about using this 3D rendering to go to 3D printers? It's like, yeah, you can do that too. So there's so many possibilities out there. But no, that's about it. And wait a minute, no, I almost forgot one last thing. This congratulations, Pops and Mags, for the season 2 finale. Great work, boys. I love your Pinecast. Again, like, it's so entertaining. Like, I don't really listen to anybody else's like crypto stuff. I tried to when it's like about Theta, but you boys, you guys are the best. So keep up your great work. I'm looking forward to season 3, and yeah. But that is about it. Like, with all this great news out there, I believe like the price is kind of going up a little bit. Theta's at $2.26. T-Fuel is at 10 cents, just about touching the 11. So we're moving right there. News is spreading. But that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, watch that AMA because it is jam-packed with so much more information that you're just going to want to soak it all up. But again, I hope you all have a great week ahead of you. And until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out. And I'm going to take a sip of coffee too. See ya.